Hey everyone, a huge congratulations. The arcade prize counter is finally here. And if you participated in Google Cloud Arcade program in 2025 season 2 and earned enough arcade points, like at least 25 arcade points, then this video is for you. So in this video, I will quickly explain you what is the arcade prize counter and the arcade prize counter email and how to redeem your rewards and what happens after placing your order and the different other details like shipping timelines, FAQs, and your common doubts. So let's get started with it quickly. Coming to the arcade price counter email. So this is what you can see in the screen. This is the arcade price counter email you will receive in the title. Arcade price counter inside what your arcade points added up to. As you can see, it is I received this email on 14th of January 2026, and first of all, they are basically congratulating you. And before I get started, please take a moment to review these important details. So, like first, you need to confirm your shipping address before ordering your swags. Then final order confirmation, and all these are the some of the important details that you should check out. Unclaimed rewards, what will happen if you don't claim your reward, and they mentioned one point about unused arcade points and all that. So to claim your rewards, use the unique link before 31st January. So this is one thing you should note, that you need to place your order before 31st January 2026. So here in this section you will find your unique order link. So for the arcade ranger to legend, you will receive one link from White Square, and for the first 2 tiers, novice and trooper, they will be receiving a order link from Printo. So basically, you have to click on this particular link. So once you click on this, you will go to White Square reward page. That is looking like this. So from this page, you will see your arcade tier will be mentioned, and the prizes that you will be getting will be showing here. And then basically you have to select your hoodie or t-shirt size in the case of print orders. In the case of proper, you need to select your t-shirt size, and in the case of if you have a hoodie, you need to select a hoodie size similarly. Then just you need to click on this shipping details in this next button. So next, yeah, so this is how you need to select your hoodie size. There are different size available. Also, you'll find the link to the size chart itself. So from that you can consider. Then coming to the next page, once you click on the next, you will come to this page. Here you need to select your country and your email address, and please use the same email address where you have received the price counter email. Okay. Then you need to select your country, and once you select your country, then you will find options to put your shipping details like full address, name, address line 1, and keep all these things very accurate and uh, recheck before submitting. Okay. Then your city, state, and zip code. Then your mobile number. You can put your alternate mobile number, and then you have to agree the terms and conditions. Then you can just click on the submit your order, and once you submit your order, you will receive one link like first you need to submit. Click on this submit your order button, then you will find one pop-up like you have to agree to the some of the rules and guidelines. Then you need to put your name, just type your full name, then confirm, and once you confirm, you will come to see you will come to this page. So here you will find the quick summary of your order details and your rewards summary, and there they have also attached some of the frequently asked questions, and from there you can also contact to them if you have any queries regarding this order. Okay. Similarly, for the print order, the email address you will find I'll mention in the description box in the similar manner. So next, so this confirms your order successfully placed, and you are done basically. So it will take almost 8 weeks, I mean 2 to 3 months to now get your order delivered to your address. And also you'll once you place your order, you will receive one email from the White Square team in your inbox. So from there you can simply check out. Another important thing that I want to mention, suppose you want to order, you have multiple IDs. If you are going to order multiple uh, prices, so you must use all different details, like whatever the details you are putting here in this section, your in this page, right? Your name, uh, address, if possible, name must be different. If possible, put a different address, and city state this should be the same, and must use different mobile number. Then I hope you are good to go. And that is all about it. I hope you found this very helpful. If you have any queries related to the price counter, you can ask me directly in the comment section. I am ready to answer. So that is all about from my side, and a huge congratulations to all of you that you have achieved your rewards. And it's the day, it's the final day where you need to showcase your journey. So you can take a screenshot of this email. You can post it on the LinkedIn platform. So first, you make sure to place your order successfully, then only you should share, because this is one very important. Make sure that you do not share this link publicly or any other WhatsApp group, any other platform. Otherwise, you might lose your swags. And after your order, you can definitely share, but this link contains your personal data. So make sure you do not share this or unique order link. You can take a screenshot from the above and post it on the LinkedIn as a achievement I can showcase. So that is all about it from my side. Thank you so much for watching this video and enjoy this arcade program. Then the arcade 2026 season 1 is already live. You can find uh, the previous videos to join, how to get started with, etc. Also, you can join to our communities and groups if you have any doubts. If you want to connect with us from there, you can easily connect with me as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and congratulations.